Good morning to all. I am Atula Sankumar from class 7D. This is a model of a telescope. What is a telescope? A telescope is an instrument that is used to observe and study heavenly bodies that are really far away from us. Who invented telescope? Galileo Galilei invented telescope on 1608. So this telescope is made with two cardboard cylinders and two convex lenses of 75mm and 38mm. And also, these cylinders are rolled with black chart paper and are stuck with black tape and glue, and a few designs here are created with glitter pens. So now I would show how this telescope works. So now I have taken my telescope and here is the object. You can see glue. Okay, now okay, now you can see the image. Actually it's inverted and pretty magnified, and it can be actually, it's really magnified actually. So this is actually the magic of the convex lens and telescope actually. So image formed in telescope with two convex lens will be inverted and magnified. So now I will show you how we focus this telescope. It would take a second because I would have to shift my position. Okay, a second please. Okay, so now I have changed my position. So you can see the telescope. So you can see the telescope now. Now I will show you how we focus it. So now I have taken the telescope. And you can see how I'm pushing and pulling the second cylinder. I have built this in a certain way that one cylinder can move through another telescope. So this is how we focus. So that's all, and this is my model of the telescope. So thank you.